Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to a brand new tutorial. So today's video I'm going to share you how to make 3D mug by using Adobe Illustrator. It's very simple and interesting. So let's jump into the process. Let's start making. Take the rectangle tool and draw it and change the color to white. Now simply give it a stroke and turn off the fill and increase the stroke size to 16 pixels. And then take the scissor tool and cut the both corner left and right. Take the direct selection tool, just drag the handle to make it around. And now click on the stroke and choose the round option. And then go to the 3D material, click on the object and then choose the revolve option. Oh, we don't need this. Click the left edge to change the right edge. Wow, we need this. Perfect. So now adjust it a little. Now go to material, make the roughness 0 and increase the metallic. And now click on the lightning and just follow these. Follow the previous process. Again, take the rectangle tool and draw the rectangle tool and then take the scissor tool and just cut both corners. And then make it a little round. Again, same process. Go to 3D material and click on the object and this time click on the extrude. Decrease the depth to 20 and then come to below, click on the bevel and choose the round and increase the width and increase the height. And right check the bevel both side option and then click on the lightning and just follow these values. The control key and press the square bracket. Oh my god, the mug is ready. Now we apply our logo on top of the mug. I simply drag to the logo and paste as a symbol. So just change the export option and click on the graphic. That will be saved as a symbol and we can apply it. So now as a symbol, we can apply it easily. If you don't find the symbol here, and just simply go to the window and find out the symbol and mark the right check. Come to the 3D material and let's check our logo is here and click to apply. Is this simple? Yes, of course. And now come to the lightning and just simply decrease the intensity. And now we add some text. Again we do the previous same process, make a symbol. Finally, your 3D mug is complete. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and found it helpful. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and leave a good comment. Subscribe to Tutor Academy for more design and tips tutorials. And thank you for watching and visiting my channel. And thank you so much. Allah bless you.